back to MFG Gaming. I wish you all a Merry Christmas, and my Christmas has come early because of this. An MSI B450 Gaming Plus. My old motherboard failed. It wasn't posting. Excuse the monitor, I just disconnected the cable. This is the replacement motherboard. They could not repair it. It was shipped to MSI for a repair, replacement or refund, and they gave me a replacement. So this is the first time I've seen it, and here it is. The MSI B450 Gaming Pro. So let's take it out. Well, first, of course, we're closing the lid, and then we'll take it out. Or there. Put it on here. This definitely looks like a second-hand one, but it's a bit dusty here and there, particularly on the dim slots there. Let me see if I can bring the camera up a bit closer. Now, the sad thing about this, it may not even be compatible. Sorry. The way we test about that is doing a bit of work. Right, back. Okay, this is my case. I do not have a Ryzen. I have a series processor. So let me undo my case screws, particularly my side panel ones. It's really upsetting because I haven't had this computer working for ages. There we go. Okay, sides off. So let me explain what we have here. Graphics card, which is a GTX 50. Put that on here. And then this box is full of all my other components, which we shall install. And yes, I'll do the cable management. Oh no. I went to the cooler. Because they never gave me my cooling accessories. So, let me go and check what the time is. Yes, okay, I need to quickly go, call up someone. Okay, so it's the next day, I'm back. They gave me this software test bench, thanks to PLE Computers Bentley. I had to take that because it said it might not work with a BIOS. It does, thank God. This is what I needed. It's what the thingy hooks onto. That thingy. Okay, let me get the rest of these screws out, and then we can install this. And take the motherboard out again, get the other two screws. Close up the lid. Okay, there we go. Let's move it. Don't keep the tripod, don't tip the tripod. Okay guys, after this video, this will probably be the last video I make before Chrissy. I'll have a might be buying a new camera. So there we go. There we go guys. This is only the new motherboard. It's just a replacement, it doesn't look that new. Even I just tested that. Okay, so this goes on the back like so. Awesome. And then these hook on there. I'll just be back. Okay, we're doing the last part up now. And there we go, Bob's my uncle. Now, let me undo this part, which is where the AMD A8. Now, these are all the original components, so don't worry guys, I'm not replacing anything now. This is where this little baby goes on. And one thing I need to be careful was is all the little pins. Now, just to remember which way it goes. Pretty sure it goes. Look at that. Look at that. First, hey look. It looks like I've done this before. Must have. Now, the CPU. I'm not putting new thermal paste on because the old stuff's on there is still alright. Let me put that on the next side. Chop that part down. Come on. Get on there. Good. And there we go. CPU fan header can plug in. There. Now I just got to sort that down. Put in my 24 gigs of RAM. So we got this. G Skills Ripjaws 4 DDR4, and we're going to populate the black ones with the red RAM, the red ones with the black RAM. So I'm doing this all out of the case because I find that easier, and also that's how it's been suggested by everyone else. Okay guys, I put the RAM in now. Here it is. And now we're just going to put in the M.2 drive in the bottom there. The speaker, those are antennas for the Wi-Fi card over there, and then the things standoff screws. Let me get the rest of the things installed in here. Okay, so my 480 gig M.2 SATA SSD's in. It's a WD green. Now we're just going to focus on cable management. I'm starting to weigh up, do I do time-lapse of it or not? I'll say no for now, because I haven't done a cable management for a while, so let me work on my cable management, and then we can put that in. Okay, I forgot to put the buzzer on the motherboard, but it's time to put the motherboard in the housing. As you can see, I've moved all the cables from the power supply, directed the case things down to here through the underside. Now, if all has worked, I'll get the screws out, and we might be going into a good flow of putting these things in. So let us put this motherboard in place. Right, when we come round, I don't want to break the motherboard anymore. I didn't break it the first time. And for all you playing along at home, the IO shield has already been installed. So we're in. Stand off fine. Push the IO a bit long. Oh. There we go. Now let's start getting some of the little baby screws. Let me get one of my precision screwdrivers. See if this one will fit. No, that one won't fit, but it doesn't matter. We have another one lying around somewhere. Yes, not very organised. Nope, we might as well use this big one again. So, and they're up. Hey, it's done. Finally, screwed them up. That one seemed to be a bit difficult. Let's see if I can get you in. Let's move that light out a bit. Well, actually, we might need a bit in there. The one there was very difficult to get in, because it stripped a bit, but I put another screw in and it was fine. So I need to connect up all the fans. I'll run them all behind. I'll do all the cable management behind the motherboard on the rear panel. While I'm at it, I might as well put the graphics card in. Just get it down into this bag. Now this is the graphics card here. It's a GTX 580. No, it's not 580. This is the GTX 1050. It's not new, it's not old, it's not good, who cares? It's what I have and what I use. And I did all the first videos on it. So let me just zoom you in the back. Come on. You can have a look at the CPU core. Double check it's all in. Nicely done. Hope you didn't see my face. Yes, you did. And yeah, we got the hard drive bays over here. One hard drive there. Now let's get these screwed back in. Holding this baby together. And get the other one. Get that on the screwdriver again. And start screwing. Nice. Now, time to put the Wi-Fi card in. This one doesn't actually have a screw, so it's a bit annoying, but I don't screw it in. Should be right down the bottom here. That slot's just to airflow a bit, and where's the other one? That's just the only one. And yeah, now we do some cable. There we go, cable managed. Finally, see if the side panel can fit on. Okay, let me just move the light. It's like blinding you. Let's get these last couple case panel things on, and then we install the buzzer and the antennae for the Wi-Fi card. And where are you? Yeah. And let's turn around. Voila. Video cable marriage, they have to stay there, but whatever. At least it looks a little bit better than it did before. Cable's running, yes, right in there. Buzzer, yes, that's what I need. Let's get the light on here a bit. Apologies. The camera battery's running low. Okay, the buzzer's in, and we better hope this works. Yes. Yes. Is it booting? Yes, it will boost now. Okay, here we go, here we go, here we go, here we go. F2 run setup. Sorry, F1 to run setup. MFG Gaming has got its gaming computer back. Prepare for some more farming sim vids soon. See you in the next video, guys. Like, comment, and subscribe.